Okay, so we have shown our project our discount, right? If we have any discounts, so then what we have to show is this arrow icon and a shop now button, right? So let's do that too. Let's go to our latest product, and after the discount div, okay, so what do we have here? Okay, so let's check something. So this shop now button is always gonna be at the bottom, right? So doesn't matter the content. The shop now button and the arrow button is gonna be at the bottom. So if we want to do that, we have to give it a fixed height, and then for our shop now button, we can add some we have to add a fixed amount of margin top. So instead of doing that, we can just use flex, right? We can say these elements we can take these elements inside a div, and these elements these data inside a div. Then we can just say flex column, column reverse, and then we can just say ln justify content space between. Then it will just push the two elements to two sides of the div. So okay, so let me show you. So everything is inside this folder, right? So the details folder, and then we can just take everything from here inside the details folder and put it in one div. Okay, and then in another div we can just enter this icon. So I have put this icon in a inside our public file as svg in home. Down, this is down arrow, so I'm just going to copy the image tag. Okay, so this is our image tag that we are getting from next image. I am setting the source down arrow from our public folder and giving it a height and width. Okay, so like we did before, then for our shop now button, we want to add a link. So this is going to be a next link. Okay, so for now, let's just push to our home page. Okay, so now what we can do is, this is the parent element, right? The details class. So we can just flex it and column reverse it, then just set everything to justify between. These will go this will then take go to two ends of the div, like vertically. Okay, so inside our details, where is details? Here we can say display flex justify content space between. So if we do that, see, it does push it to a space between, but now it is doing it like horizontally. So we do not do that, want that. What we can say is flex direction column. Okay, see, now it works. So now we have to style our shop now button and our arrow button too. So I'm just going to copy the style here. Where is it? So yeah, so we have to give this a class name, class bottom, and then we have to copy the styles. Okay, so let me put it after discount. Yep, here should work. Yes, so our shop now button is ready. Okay, so okay, let's handle the responsive part too. So so it breaks the UI, I think somewhere here, somewhere in between 1100 and 80, let's say. Yeah, so let's add our product container, go to our what is it? Yes, let's go to our product container. Yeah, so our product container will always have repeat 12 12 fractions, right? So in our product container, in a product class, we can say when the width is skin and max width is let's say 1200. pixel, we want to say uh, grid column span 6. So now it should be if you divide 12 by 6, it should get two columns, two fractions. So yeah, so after 1200 pixel, we are showing two fractions. So let's see where it breaks again. Yeah, I think it is breaking here. Okay, I think it is 800. Let's say 800. Yeah, for let's say 780. And we want to take the full width, like it should take one fraction. So okay, so for yeah, now it works. Let's see, for small devices, we have to also add some we have to make those responsives or titles. So let's remove the padding from our details. For example, our each card. So where is details? Okay, so we are reducing the padding to 20 pixel from 30 pixel. And then for our title, we have to reduce the font size too. Let's do that. We are reducing it at 1360. So this is the common step. You have to just tweak around your responsiveness and find out by yourself. So if I show you everything, then you won't learn anything. You can just copy paste or follow whatever I'm doing. So I'm gonna trust you that you can do these styles by yourself. So okay, so for the other, okay, for discount, we have another one. Okay, for bottom. Okay, I think these are all the elements that your responsiveness you need. So yeah, it looks fine. Okay, so let's comment everything to Git again. Okay, let's close everything here.